All right, we're testing a new sprayer that I just got off Amazon, but I'm already pretty impressed with the charger cord, how it plugs in, the initial impressions of the build quality on this unit. We'll see how long this one lasts, and we'll do a demo and test of it here shortly. But so far, first impressions, I like it. And once these indicators go to no longer blinking, we'll have a full charge. So we'll let this sit for a while and come back shortly. All right, I'm getting anxious. I'm not gonna wait for this to fully charge. Here's one thing I like. That is a really nice quality pickup tube. Very nice. Very good identification on the side of the container. We're gonna start with 60 ounces of distilled water. To be truthful, this is deionized water from my CR Spotless, but distilled water and deionized water both just mean the minerals and impurities are kind of filtered out of it. So it's just straight H2O. So we are at the 60 ounce mark of distilled water. This is DIY Details All Clean, phenomenal all-purpose cleaner. Since we use it at 15:1, we're going to use 4 ounces of DIY Details All Clean. When you buy it in a gallon, it is concentrate. If you buy it in a 16-ounce bottle, it's ready to use. That would go straight in, but we are using the gallon. So we'll add our 4 ounces of All Clean. And for a little bit of extra foaming power, we're going to add some Incredible Suds. They're very thick, very grape, amazing smelling car soap. And we're just going to do the equivalent of about a half an ounce in there. So deionized or distilled water with any soap foams better than conventional tap water. And I am really curious to see how this does. We'll unplug the charger here. Close the little in this. Just kind of pops on like, oh, snaps in. We'll give it a shake. Oh, first thing I don't like, oh, because I don't have the top on right. That's why it won't spill, is if you have the top on right. So we got that mixed up. So it's just a twist top. I'm really hoping this foams well. This will be my tire and wheel cleaning product. I will also use it to treat bugs in the summer. I will use it on funky sides and rear of the vehicle that need a little extra cleaning power. But let's see how this sprays. What I like about this is it's just using the power from the battery and spraying out. This does not have to compress or fill with air. That is actually pretty darn good. So if I was going to use it on the side of the vehicle, guys, that's not bad. That is not bad. We may have a winner. So time will tell how long this battery lasts, how long it goes between charges. But initial demonstration or use, I like it. All right, stay tuned. DIY Detail has an incredible lineup. If you want to try any of their other products, use the code OHIO on DIYDetail.com to save 10% off your order.